He's smart.
Hmm?
He's funny. He's superhero. He's loving.
Chill.
आज्ञाकारी बेटा.
Knowledgeable. I would say focused. A big Manchester United fan.
Underrated genius.
Mid-Indian.
Cutie pie. Strong.
Gentle giant.
Resilient. Chilled out. Funny.
Passionate.
Yeah. Ha. Foodie.
Jif. Master.
Superb, fantagorismically amazing, delicious, humorous. बोले तो एक नंबर.
Loving.
Smart.
સંસ્કારી છે ને સોબર છે એનામાં કંઈ કહેવા જેવું જ નથી.
One word would be guide because he has always guided me. हमेशा जब मुझे कुछ भी जरूरत पड़ी.
He's a very good son, a fantastic father, a good husband, great brother. Above all, he's a excellent person. And here's wishing him best wishes for his 40th birthday. Happy birthday, Ankit. Cheers.
Sukoon. A little filmy, but yes. Ankit to me is equal to Sukoon.
Very helpful. Always.
इससे बढ़िया तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ देखते हैं. थोड़ी देर में करता हूँ.
For me, it's when Shivani calls him and he goes like, "हाँ बेटा."
A habit of sharing pics whenever he's having pizza at home.
बढ़िया है.
फिर आगो एक ग्लास पानी लेके आना मेरे.
When he is sleeping, when he is in deep sleep, he wakes up and he's always angry. No matter why he's woken up, who's woken up, for what reason. I hate that habit. And it's stuck with me.
Sitting in front of the TV and saying, Arav.
Teasing me with हमारा नेता कैसा हो, खुशबू भाभी जैसा हो.
He has told a never-ending entertaining story. Ankit is such a storyteller.
कभी तो सामने से मिलने का प्लान बनाओ यार, कभी तो. लेकिन अभी हम मिलते हैं अंकित भाई.
The faces that he makes while clicking pictures.
Any stage of life, he never lets me fall. That's typically Ankit.
अंकित भाई के ब्लॉग्स वापस लिखो.
When he remembered the slightest detail about me, despite meeting me for the very first time during Rima's wedding, that surprised me.
We really feel more connected to him because he does that more often and we love that. And he's also very active on social media, which we love. Oh yes.
When he used to go cycling when he was staying in Nasik in his 11th, 12th days.
जब उसने क्रीना के बारे में बताया था तब एकदम सरप्राइज हो गई थी मैं.
उसने मेरे 50th बर्थडे पे मुझे बहुत ज्यादा सरप्राइज किया था जब वो मेरी पार्टी में आया.
Like I remember, he surprised me a lot when I reached out to him for my future studies. The way he, guided and suggested, that was totally unexpected. It was a shocker for me. Ankit Bhaiya could suggest me in such an apt way.
हाइड करते हैं तो सरप्राइज हो जाता है. हाइड करते हैं फिर सरप्राइज हो जाता हूँ. Surprises, oh my god, there's a long list, but one I clearly remember. The 24th birthday, just before getting married, he actually baked a cake for me. I was super surprised. I've got one more. Again, a birthday before wedding, when we were just dating. We were not even sure we were getting married. He took me for a drive in a Jaguar XJ. Yeah, Jaguar XJ. Oh my god, that car was amazing. And the thought was amazing. And one more special surprise. On my 30th birthday, we were at Curious Design Yatra in Grand Hyatt. And I had a very tiring long day after the conference. I just stepped inside the room. There was a bathrobe. There was a bathtub full of Curious Design Yatra. my 30th birthday, there was this bathroom which we were at. So the third surprise I remember was at Curious Design Yatra, my 30th birthday, and we were staying at Grand Hyatt. And just after the conference, when I came back to the room, there was a bathtub filled with warm, hot water where I had to relax. And just as I stepped out of bath, instead of the bathrobe, there was this superb LBD little black dress with matching stilettos. Oh my god, I felt like a princess. And that's what he keeps on doing with his surprises. But nowadays he surprises me by saying no to most of the things. Dude, you gotta be yourself. Surprise me more. Life baki hai. I've got one more. Just randomly he turned up in my Loin Kenneth office when we were dating. He was supposed to be at Rudrapur. I didn't expect him to be there. And he's like, just come out, just come out. I just came into the lobby outside my office. And there he was standing. I'm like, wow, this is the best surprise ever. So yeah, too many surprises, too many memories. Looking forward to more. Note, Ankit, note.
Imagica, Imagica.
तारा ना दिसे या चंद खो जावे तेनू संग रखना कुछ ना होवे या सब खो जावे तेनू संग रखना
गल मिठी मिठी बोल दस्ताने विच गोल
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरा आंकी है
शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको
कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद
ये कोशिशें हैं तो होंगी कम नहीं न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं
हो रहेंगे हम नहीं जो तुम न हो रहेंगे हम नहीं न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कुछ नहीं
प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया है कि दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा जी जा 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 जा
And one real good song that I have. समझे ना दुनिया तू तो मुझको समझियो संग रहियो आगे रहियो पीछे रहियो मेरा रहियो यार बस मेरा रहियो संग रहियो. And the third one. This has been around for a long time, but I think I should sing it now. तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं. तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ हाँ जी हो गई मैं.
Okay, I also have a second song, and this is a song that Ankit Jiju actually wrote for Krina on her birthday, and the song was called Perfect, and it went something like मुझसे जाना हो कहीं पर ना 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 करो जो तुम टाइम की कदर तो कहे वो रखो सबर na 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 na. So this was a song that Ankit Jiju wrote and I composed for Krina, and so I always associate Ankit Jiju and always remember him because if you listen to the whole song, he has written some beautiful words for Krina, and so if you have that song today, Krina, make sure you play that for everyone to listen to.
I'm not lazy. I'm just very good at resting.
जी माने genius.
अंकित, बस नाम ही काफी।
अंकित है मैं, झुकेगा नहीं।
जनरल नॉलेज मास्टर।
From teasing to teaching.
अंकित, तुमको हमारी बहुत बहुत 40वें बर्थडे की शुभकामनाएं, शुभ आशीर्वाद। खूब खुश रहो बेटा और खूब आगे बढ़ो, यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं और शुभ आशीर्वाद है।
खुल जाएंगे सभी रास्ते, रुकावट से लड़ तो सही, सब होगा हासिल, तो अपनी जीत पे अड़ तो सही। God bless you, Ankit.
I hate to use the F word, but you're 40.
But 40s are the new 30s. So there's so much there for you to still discover and experience.
For starters, you can listen to the song You Got This by 47.
अर्ज किया है।
वाह वाह
वाह वाह।
अरे बोलने तो दो। अर्ज किया है हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
वाह वाह
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
वाह वाह वाह
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। अब जियो, हंसो, गाओ, मुस्कुराओ, और अगर कोई समस्या आए तो उसे बोलो स्क्रू यू।
वाह 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 वाह।
Congratulations, you are now officially too old for Instagram and Facebook, of course. But don't worry, no, jokes apart, your jokes are outdated anyway. But on a serious note, age is just a number, a very big number now in your case. So wish you a very happy birthday.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Happy B. Happy B who? Happy B-Day to you.
Yo man, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy liberation from the 30s.
Happy 40.
Ankit, happy 40th super duper birthday for you. And may from this year you start driving your new automatic car which you will buy soon and rock.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकित। 40 इयर्स का हो गया तू, लेकिन हम लोग अभी तक तेरे बर्थडे पार्टी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। प्लीज 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 इस बार 40th बर्थडे पे पार्टी तो बनती है।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ankit Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Clap ki mom.
Only wish right now I have is I want to see you start working out right on the day of your birthday. Let's see the challenge for you.
तेरी जिंदगी रोशनी से भरी रहे, हर दिन तुझे नई ऊंचाइयां मिले, तेरी हंसी कभी कम न हो, तेरी खुशियां कभी कम न हो, तू हमेशा 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 यूं ही मुस्कुराता रहे और तेरे जीवन में कभी कोई गम न आए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
You are watching the Quirky Birthday Wish, Ankit.
Wife तो नहीं है, but it's just one thing that I would want him to do more often is, to make more plans with us. I would agree. I think the one piece of advice that I would also like to give him is, we should meet more often. We should do things that we always love doing and spend more time together and just have fun and initiate plans. Let's do a lot of things together and just enjoy your 40s like there's no tomorrow.
Welcome to the 40s, where you're considered neither too young to be wild nor too old to be wise.
जीत जाएंगे हम, जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है। Naughty 40 Ankit.
Live your life to the fullest.
Please start writing more blogs. I love reading them.
टेंशन नहीं लेने का मामू।
खुश रहो, मस्त रहो,
अपने आप को स्ट्रांग करो, सबका ध्यान रखो।
Just go with the flow. Take each day as it comes.
Let's bring back Antidote. I remember how much joy writing brought to you. I would love to read new stuff on your blog.
And Bhaiya, start prepping abhi se, because you and I are running a marathon together very, very soon.
I would say prioritize your health, celebrate each and every small achievement. So keep learning and enjoy this ride.
Life will always throw challenges at you. Never be shy away from taking steps. Take baby steps. You will conquer every challenge in life.
40 is the new 20. They ask me, it's my experience. Just live your life to the fullest, Ankit. Enjoy, laugh, work, get tired, get sloshed the whole day with any kind of work so that raat ko jab late ho na, you should be just dead like this and get up morning fresh to start with the grind. That's the best life, I'm telling you.
At 40, remember that. It's just 20 years back you were 20, but you are 40 another years away from 80. You are 40. 40 is just the start. Till 40, it's all research. Life begins now.
A grand palace in the middle of London. I would gift him a mansion in Manchester because I know he's going to love it and he can just go and watch matches anytime.
One side, or we can just give him a team actually.
Oh yeah, we could buy him
a
a football team.
Yeah, I think that would be the best.
Harry Potter themed house.
मैं अंकित को वर्ल्ड टूर पे भेजता।
मैं उसे गाड़ी लाके दी।
I would organize a fun Bollywood live music event. I know he likes to attend live music. At least he used to do that in Hyderabad and Mumbai also a few times. We have done that. So,
as a fellow cinephile, I know how much you would love a room with a kick-ass home theater system, recliners, and posters of all your favorite movies around.
And Aladdin ka chirag, and it would only fulfill his food demands. Genie, मेरे लिए ये लेके आओ, Genie, मेरे लिए वो लेके आओ.
I would give you tickets to every museum in the world, and you can fly first class to every destination. Maybe the Louvre from Paris. I don't know all the other museums, you know them. Just give me a list.
रेस्टोरेंट जाना।
अंकित किसी भी चीज के लिए ना नहीं बोलता, हर चीज के लिए हाई बोलता है, इसका मूड अच्छा होना चाहिए।
फूड 3 पत्ती, एनी टाइम, एनी डे, एनीवेयर।
Getting vada pav for me.
He is always up for sing-alongs in the car, just us singing and troubling everyone else in the car.
Meetups. You ask for a meetup and Ankit is the only one who will first say, I'm fine with anything, anywhere. So, love you for that.
Food. Having fun. He will never say no.
Whenever I am in Mumbai, कुछ भी बोलूँ मैं, whatever it is, कितना भी दूर रहने दो, he will make sure that he will take me to that place. He will say चलो चलते हैं. There is no ifs, no buts, nothing.
I think he would never say no to reading a new book or buying a new book.
He never says no.
Food.
Ankit never says no to sleeping.
The best thing about Ankit Jiju is that I have known him for many, many years now. In fact, I've known him before Kinu and Ankit Jiju got married. But since that day to today, I have never seen him in a bad mood. He's always smiling and he just has this ability to make you smile just through his presence, and that is a quality that not many people have, and it's a special gift. It's a superpower to have where you're always smiling and making people around you smile, and so I really admire that quality of Ankit Jiju.
अंकित को सबसे अटैचमेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, वो सबके बारे में चिंता करता है और सबके बारे में इतना सोचता है, परेशान हालत तो उसी में होता है।
सेंसिटिव बहुत है।
अंकित की सबसे बेस्ट बात यह है कि मैं उसको कभी कोई भी चीज बोलता हूँ, हाँ चाचा हो जाएगा।
हमारी खट्टी मीठी नोक जोक एज ऑलवेज।
जब हम मिलते हैं, उससे पहले दफे मिलते हैं जब यहाँ से लंदन से आते हैं, तो पहला काम करते हैं पाँव छूने का और आशीर्वाद लेते हैं। तो हम उससे कहते हैं कि अरे पाँव छूना नहीं, बोलते अरे चाचा जी आप मुझे कुछ दे के जाते हैं ने, मुझसे कुछ लेके तो नहीं जाते ने।
सही पकड़े हैं।
Ankit is always up for a party.
So the best thing about Bhaiya, I think, is that I can always rely on him. He's always just one call away. He's the first to like immediately try and help me with anything as soon as possible. Love him for that.
The best thing about Bhaiya for me is how much I've seen his love for Bhabhi and I.
वो ना मेरी कितनी भी डांट का बुरा नहीं मानता. I can just do this to him. I can scold him. I can do this to him. He's cute, and I don't need filters to talk to him.
It's been long time now that कुछ भी हो जाए, he always guides me, suggests me, advises me in all the scenarios, all the situations.
Best part about Ankit is being Ankit.
The billion times I've heard Bhaiya narrate how Bhabhi ordered for Chas in their flight to Singapore. I can still listen to it another billion times. It'll still continue to remain funny.
टाटा मोटर्स में जॉब लगी थी, तब बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइट था वो।
अंकित उसके MBA के एडमिशन के समय उसने पहले ही बोल दिया था, पापा आज मेरा एडमिशन हो जाएगा, आप मेरी तैयारी रखें।
The most recent one that comes to mind is when we went to Imagica recently, and we decided that we'll take a short power nap after a long day at Imagica. We said, चलो थोड़ा नाश्ता पानी कर लिया है, तो अभी 7 बजे 2 घंटे का power nap ले लेते हैं, and then we'll wake up and we'll order dinner, and then we'll stay up the whole night. You know how Kinu and I love to stay up all night and talk and do things, games or whatever it is. So we said, let's all stay up late night tak baatein karenge, but uske liye we need a power nap, so let's go to sleep. So we went to sleep, of course, at 7 p.m. and then we woke up at 8 a.m. the next morning. All of us were flat out. We didn't wake up. And we had a real big laugh in the morning when we woke up because we all slept through the night. So yeah, that was a really fun memory that I have. But other than that, actually, the other memory that comes to my mind is a few years ago when I had gone to stay over at Ankit Jiju's place. We had a sleepover. It was me, Jigar, Kinu, and of course Ankit Jiju, and we stayed up very late in the night. And we had a FIFA competition, so we played on the PlayStation, and it was so much fun bonding with each other over a battle of FIFA. So let's make this happen again the next time I'm in Mumbai. I would love to play you at FIFA and make sure I beat you this time.
I remember when Ankit was about 8 to 10 months, and I first took him out for a photograph. And that was a really special moment for me.
There are a lot of funny moments we shared in Hyderabad whenever we used to travel. A lot of fun times, parties, dinners, Santosh Dhaba dinners.
Night out, क्या मजा आया था प्ले स्टेशन खेलने का।
सबसे फनी किस्सा है, एक जो याद आता है वो है जुहू बीच पे अर्ली मॉर्निंग कबड्डी खेल रहे थे जब खुशबू ने अंकित की बहुत पिटाई की थी।
Too many, but the one when he had the fight with Jaya in Hyderabad, I think nothing beats that fight. The most funniest moment. Wish you a very happy 40th once again, Ankit.
Play area mein, and in theme park, Imagica, and in Panvel, and in Igatpuri, everywhere.
A funny and an unforgettable moment with him when we were in Scotland. Some loch, I don't remember, some lake. It was almost, freezing, and we were in our jackets, and I was tired walking back to our van. Only me and Ankit had the guts to come out of the van because it was so cold and windy. Everyone was inside, and it was a slope. We were climbing a slope, and Ankit, I was really tired and dragging myself. Ankit did the signature penguin walk, which I always do when I'm tired. I still can't forget it, and I think I do have a picture of us just after the penguin walk. Looking forward to more unforgettable moments with you, Ankit. Let's get alive!